Yo, what's going on everybody? It's xHarrisMG, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Photoshop 2020 for free on your computer. So the first step is to go to the description of this video and get these two links. And once you have them, the first one you're going to want to go to is the WinRAR download. And this will have two versions, a 64-bit and 32-bit. And to check which one you have on your computer, you go to Settings, System, About, and right here it will show you I have a 64-bit, so I will close out of this and get the English 64-bit. Download, and the download should start right here. So open that up. This will pop up. It's going to be black on your screen that you're watching, but hit yes, install, and then toggle all of these, and then you can add the desktop or start menu if you want to, and hit OK. And so you're done with that. It will pop up this. Just close out of that. So now you're done with WinRAR, and you want to go to the MediaFire Photoshop xHarrisMG and hit download on this, and just close out of that. And this will take a good bit because it's 1.7 gigabytes, and I will be back when it is done downloading. Alright, my Photoshop RAR file has finished downloading, so once yours does, click on it and this will pop up because it's your first use. Just close out of it and make this big. And right here, the Photoshop cc/hg is where you need to go, and then the setup dash, or the set dash up, which is the setup. Click on that, and it will start extracting it from the file. And this may take a couple seconds, but be patient. Alright, once it finishes extracting, a black screen will probably pop up for you guys, but on your computer, it will have the yes or no thing, so just hit yes. And this Photoshop 2020 installer will start uploading, and you can close out of this, and close out of that. And so you have your Photoshop 2020 installer, you choose your language and what location you want. I'm just keeping it on default, hit continue, and it will start installing, and once mine is finished, I will be back with you. Alright, my Photoshop has finished installing, and we'll pop this up, close, and go down here to the search, and search Photoshop, and it will be right here, and open it up, and it will start loading. As you can see right here, 1990 to 2020, so this is the 2020 version, and it should load up. Just a second. Here we go. The Photoshop has uploaded, and as you can see, we have everything that you could need for Photoshop. This is the full version, no viruses or anything. New. Okay, and it will, I mean, you can do anything. Pops up your screen, you got all your layers over here, your text, I mean, this is completely free, you can do anything you want, and if you enjoyed this video and if it worked, let me know down in the comments, and I will make more tutorials like this, but make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.